In this short video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a debit card to your Cash App account. Cash App is a banking and investing application where you can send and receive money using a Cash App card, buy Bitcoin, invest in stocks, and more. Now we will go through the process step by step so you can quickly link your card and start using more of Cash App's features. So to get started, open Cash App on your device. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then from there, scroll down until you find linked banks and then tap on it. This is where you can manage the bank accounts and debit cards connected to your Cash App account. However, if you don't already have a debit card linked, you will see the option to link debit card. If a debit card is already connected, you may need to remove it first before adding a new one. Now, once you select the option to add a card, you will be asked to enter your debit card information. You have to enter the debit card number, expiration date, CVV security code, and zip code. Make sure that all of the information is entered correctly. Then tap Link Card to continue. Cash App will verify your card details, and once the verification is completed, your debit card will be successfully connected to your account. Now, after your debit card has been added, you can use it to add money to your Cash App balance, send payments, and manage transfers between your Cash App account and your bank. Having a linked debit card also makes it easier to access different Cash App features without needing to manually enter your payment information each time. And that's how you can add a debit card to your Cash App account. If you found this video helpful, can you like and subscribe to the channel? You may also leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.